slow her down. She is a warrior, yeah. Gotta get up and go, no matter the road. Gotta keep your head held high. Gotta keep on praying, keep on slaying. Gotta keep that pretty smile. But she's ready to battle, ready to battle. Gonna take that enemy down. She feels no evil and holding her ground. She is a warrior, ain't nothing gonna slow her down. She is a warrior, she's taking this battleground. She is a fighter, a crier. She ain't gonna lose this round. She is a warrior.
Instead of doing that where I have to fill in the two sides, just gonna see if this works and cut this out. Mixing, mixing, mixing. Okie dokie. Let's see what I can do here. And I need both hands. I think it needs to be more soupy. I got it. Oh, I got cut by steel. The steel cut me. I hate steel work. Run out of material for this bit. That's what life go with me. Alrighty. Water down. A lot of material. This one is gonna tile, so any indifference I do, the tile gonna hide it. Yeah. So I just want it to be level with the table or an inch or two above the seat, and it is perfect. I think I did a good job. Yep. Now I need the rendering. There. Oh, right there. Need to get done with a few blocks. Smooth that off. Tile this. Tile that. Over there, so I always leave dirty.